Welcome to the Phone Transformer channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to find saved audios on Facebook, step by step. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Let's get started. Step 1. To get started, grab your Android device and open the Facebook app. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the necessary settings. Step 2. Next, locate the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on them to open the menu. Step 3, in the menu, scroll down until you see the Reels option. Tap on it to open the related menu. Step 4, once inside the Reels menu, look for the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it to proceed to your profile session. Step 5, within the profile section, scroll down until you find the Saved option. Select it to view your saved content. Step 6, finally, tap on the Saved Audio option. Here, you'll see all the audios you've saved. If you want to use any of them, simply select the audio and follow the prompts. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.